Welcome to my class Physics Untold. Here I am representing a question from Pathfinder for Olympiad and JEE Advanced. This is from the chapter Newton's Laws of Motion and this is MCQ number 5. So let's start the question. A uniform rope is tied between a nail A on the wall and nail B on the ground. The rope without touching the ground anywhere assume a curved shape known as catenary. Tangent at the ends A and B of this catenary makes angles alpha and beta with vertical respectively. Which of the following conclusions can you make? A horizontal component of the tensile force in the rope is uniform. B. Vertical component of tensile force increases with height. C. Angle alpha can be greater than angle beta. Angle alpha cannot assume a value of 0 degree. So in our given question, it is given that there are two walls. There is a wall and there is a horizontal plane, and a rope is tied between the point A and B. Point A is on the vertical wall and point A on the horizontal plane. Let the rope makes an angle alpha with the point A and rope makes an angle beta with the horizontal plane at the point B. So in our given question, the balancing horizontal and vertical forces with indicative length of force vector. In the case of rope, whatever is the eventual tension is along the rope. In the given question, asked about horizontal and vertical components of the tension. So let's break the tension into its components. So if you at the point A, let's the horizontal component of tension is T1 and vertical component is T2. So this arrow is indicating the horizontal component of tension at point A and whose value is equal to T1, and this is the vertical component of the tension at point A whose value is indicated by T2 and whose resultant is indicated by this transverse arrow whose value is T. And also at the point B, the horizontal component of tension is T1 and the vertical component of the tension is T2 is T3, and its resultant is the tangent at the point B whose value is equal to T again. So at point B, let's the horizontal component of the tension is T1 and the vertical component is T3 along the force and force mg will act vertically downwards. So this arrow is indicating the force mg which is acting vertically downward. And this angle alpha and beta are the corresponding angles which makes with the vertical direction of their tangents. In the A bit of the rope is at rest, so it is in equilibrium. The horizontal component of the tensile force is uniform because, as we know, the tension only depends on the vertical components of its weights. As the vertical components of tensile tension depends on the weight below it, therefore vertical components of the tensile force increase with the height. From the given diagram, tan alpha equal to T1 divided by T2 and tan beta equal to T1 by T3 and T3 equal to and T2, this T2 is equal to the vertical weight plus vertical weights mg plus the tension T3 as per our given FBT or the diagram. Therefore, we can conclude that T1 divided by T2 is less than T1 divided by T3, or tan alpha less than tan beta. So we can conclude alpha less than beta. T1, as T1 not equal to 0, otherwise the nail will hang straight, and T2 not equal to. Thanks for watching this video. Like, subscribe and share this video for more the videos of this type. Thank you.